Hey guys, Alex here with Alex Perez Roofing, and today we're replacing a roof in Roseville. The homeowner originally called us. He had tile roofs that were leaking. The valleys were clogged up with a bunch of debris. We went ahead and gave him an estimate to repair the valleys and to ensure that the roof was watertight. The day we showed up of roof repair, we ended up removing those tiles from the valleys and ended up that water was just going everywhere underneath the tiles, 20 foot to the left, 20 foot to the right. We ended up just saying, hey, at this point, it's just better off to do a full re-roof replacement instead of costly repairs that almost up to 80% of the roof. We went ahead and transitioned into the roof replacement. At that point, we're now replacing all the dry rot that was found upon removal. We went ahead and installed better underlayment, brand new gutters and downspouts to ensure all that water is flowing and there's no water damaging the back of his roof overhang, which was about 8 sheets of plywood. Now that all the wood has been replaced, they are ready for the brand new roof system. Brand new underlayment, brand new 24-inch valley metal in those valleys to ensure water is flowing down the roof into the gutters, putting all new flashings at all the penetrations of the roof, putting brand new flashing behind the chimney. And because of how hot it gets here in the Sacramento Valley area, we went ahead and installed a ridge vent. That ridge vent is gonna allow for all the hot air to escape to the attic to ensure it's a long-lasting roof. And once that's completed, we're gonna give them a 50-year manufacturer warranty with a 10-year workmanship backed up from Alex Perez Roofing and Owens Corning. So if you're looking for a free roof assessment, give us a call at 916-910-5542 or alexperezroofing.com to ensure your home is as watertight as it gets.